Hi everyone, in this video I am going to talk about the seam ripper. So I will show you how to use the seam ripper in a proper way. Purpose of the seam ripper is to remove the stitches if you go wrong. This will save your time in big way. Instead of using the pins or any safety pins, I will teach you how to use this effectively. So here you can see I have given the stitch. So in this seam ripper, you can see there will be a blade. In these two lines, you can see there will be a blade here. Using this blade, first initially leave inside first seam and cut it like this. So you can see it got cut. Just either you can remove it one by one if it is small space, or else just go skip 4 stitch, leave inside again, cut it. Skip 4 stitch, leave inside and cut it. Like this you can just cut it. So in between when you pull out, you can see the thread will come out like this. So like this you can remove the seam. So when you are cutting the thread, you should hold with your other hand little tight, okay, so that the thread, the stitch will come out easily. Okay, this is one way of removing. See, just pull out like this. So if you have made any lock stitch, just leave inside and cut it with the middle blade. So it will remove easily. And the second technique is, I will show it on the other side. See, I am just removing in the starting like this. I am just cutting with the blade. So once you removed few stitches, open the seam like this. So if you have any obstacle like this, just open, be careful, don't cut the fabric. Just place the seam ripper and use the blade in between and cut it like this, okay. And see, hold this side fabric, hold this side fabric. You can see the seam outside, like just leave it like this and open the seam. With your hand only you can do, see. With the other hand you are holding the fabric tight, with one hand you are removing the seam. So this is how you have to use this seam ripper. Thank you.